It's important to approach any business endeavor, including AI-driven online businesses, with a careful and ethical mindset. While automation tools, including those for LinkedIn, can offer efficiency and productivity benefits, it's crucial to use them responsibly and within the platform's terms of service. Misuse or unethical practices can lead to negative consequences, including account suspension or legal issues. If you're considering an online business related to LinkedIn automation, here are some points to keep in mind. Ethical use. Ensure that your automation practices align with ethical standards. Spamming, aggressive outreach, or any behavior that may be considered intrusive or unwanted can harm your reputation and business. Compliance. Familiarize yourself with LinkedIn's terms of service and guidelines. Violating these terms can result in account restrictions or removal. Value addition. Instead of purely focusing on automation for outreach, consider how your AI-driven solution can add value to users. Providing a genuinely helpful service or tool can contribute to the success and longevity of your business. Transparency. Be transparent about your use of AI and automation. If your interactions involve automation, make it clear to users that they are engaging with a system and not a human. Security and privacy. Ensure that your system adheres to privacy and security standards. Protect user data and be transparent about how you handle and store information. Continuous improvement. Stay informed about updates and changes in the platforms you are interacting with. Adapt your automation tools to comply with any new rules or features implemented by LinkedIn or other platforms. Customer support. Provide robust customer support to address any concerns or issues that users may have. Building a reputation for good customer service can contribute to the success of your business. Remember that ethical business practices contribute to long-term success. Prioritize creating value for users and maintaining a positive reputation, and your business is more likely to thrive in the long run. Always be aware of the potential impact of your actions on both your users and the platform you are interacting with.